So it's on?
Yes, I'm out. Hi, Mom. Hi.
Hello. Wait, I want to be in.
Hi, you want to say hi? Hi. Give me my content!
Alright, so I want you to just run in front of them and just eat. So if we shoot somebody, can we like just teabag, and then run?
Yeah, if I die, I'm gonna lay down. I just expect all of you to Millie Rock on my dead body.
What's up, brothers?
No, I said I was enjoying this.
I want more fucking pizza!
I already said I was part of it.
You want to go to 7-Eleven?
Yes.
I want some.
I want to 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
I want to get a bus pass. Give me a bus
Want to get a
pass.
bus pass?
I want some spicy chicken wings.
The chair!
Chairsoft!
Should I pick that up?
Yeah, you should.
Yes, give me my content.
Ethan, pick up the chair.
It's
I
initiation.
told you to.
Cause I'm trying to give me content.
Pick up the damn chair. That's the mascot.
I love you.
It's the initiation to the clan.
Love you, John.
Fine, I'll pick it up.
We're waiting on you.
Ah, it's digging in my arm.
C-130 rolling down the street.
I'm a speedy boy.
3, 2, 1, game on!
Go.
Hey, you know what's funny? They all take off running. You know what I do?
Someone else carry the damn chair.
Give me the fucking chair.
Thank you.
Chair stop, let's go!
Chairsoft!
Pull the chair! Woo! Chair deployed!
Oh my fucking God.
Oh, we gotta move! Let's go!
Bring the tactical chair.
Get back to the deployed.
They're in the woods on right!
They're on one. Boom!
Chair!
Tactical chair deployed.
Chair deployed! This is hit!
Climb up. Climb.
Medic!
I got you.
But you're the medic.
Oh shit! Damn it!
Die, motherfucker!
Anybody have a speed loader?
Where would I get a decent that I can put a hole in?
I don't know. Home Depot? No, ceasefire! Don't do it.
I'm sorry, Coin. Yeah, he flashed me.
Smile, wait for the flash. Thank you.
Flashbang out.
Fucking trigger finger this. God, I have horrible reflexes.
Hey, yo. Hey, I'm already at spawn. It's too late. Come on, bro. I just took you out. His head literally hit it.
Can I just... game on. Gamer time. Gamer time. Gamer time, Pog.
Pogger!
Okay,
we're going to.
I'm running, I swear.
Go.
All right, cool. Let's go. I'm fat as fuck, boy. I feel like...
Run faster, dang it!
Dadgummit, get the maze. I want to be an operator. I want to be tactical. Mom, look, I'm doing the Call of Duty thing.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Push in the maze. Push into it. Push. Right side. Half wall.
Yeah, he said we can move forward. We can push him.
Yeah, let me get a better mag.
Hey, I found a sniper still.
You want?
Yeah.
Those ones work the best.
Alright, let's play, friend.
You wanna join me, buddy?
Yeah,
Okay, let's go, buddy. Oh shit! Right there! Just walk in there. Oh my god!
Right here on the door where Obama's be.
Need low or high?
High.
High.
Fucking sniper, like on the fucking black channel thing. Fucking killed 3 times in a row. You fucking brighter, man.
Reaper. Oh, man. There's no one actually speaking beside.
Wanna run it?
Must be getting low on there.
You wanna?
Yeah, I'm just out of here.
Hold on.
I'll push if you're ready.
Huh? I'm ready.
Come on, push.
One, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Oh, please say bang bang. Oh, please don't. Bang bang. Weird.
There's no. Ah! Don't kill me! Well, let's see if it works. It works. Front heavy!
Yeah, watch it for me.
Hey, cover fire, did you close? Nice. Boy, you want to try and move up to the stand, dude?
Not really. I'm just gonna let me vibe, dude.
Alright.
Yeah, I'll watch out when I'm trying to hit you.
We have control anyway. As long as we maintain control, we're fine. That's a problem.
Like fucking 3 people and they don't. Back now.
Oh, you want the heat? The fuck wants the heat? Oh, my bad, my bad, my bad. I made me. I'm so sorry.
Come on, we're bomb midgets. Get over here.
Ah, God damn it. I'm only doing this because I'm short.
Hey, we need more guys up here. Guys, the Korean. God damn it, you communist shooting the other communist. We're in the same side.
I can't see.
He's out, he's out. Got a runner way to the house.
Oh, shit. Bravo. Bang, bang. Bravo.
second time.
Bravo.
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 Bravo has maze. I'm alive. I'm doubling back.
My ass.
Get your ass out of my face. This is not the content I
sorry,
signed up
shut the
for.
fuck up,
I
bro.
did not sign up for this content.
Shut up.
Shoot it.
This is
No,
not-
don't shoot me.
Get the cake out of my face. Get the cake out of my face.
Oh, I'm trying to stop.
You either move it or we grab a slice.
Grab it.
We're gonna grab a slice. Dude.
Fucking grab my ass. That's weird.
You're weird.
You're weird.
You're weird.
You're weirder. You ready, Cole? Oh shit.
Oh, no, we're not. We're not ready. I'm not gaming. I'm not gaming at all. And my mag's dry. Why did you mag flip?
Shit. Yeah, you dropped the man.
And it's not feeding. Woo! Here.
I'm gonna run out of ammo for the end of this round. Coy, can I borrow your pistol if my SMG runs out?
If my pistol would work, I would. But I have to get it. I gotta get it
Hey,
fixed.
you! With the assault rifle.
Yes.
Are you? Not you.
I mean, you're not really helping me, bud.
Hey, someone with an assault rifle. Everyone.
Yeah, that's quite literally everybody here.
What do you want? What do you need? What do you need?
You got a bus pass back there?
What? Like 4 shots in there.